Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV Marine, and Hershey may be over, but we got lots of good sales going into fall here, like on this inTech Aucta Magnolia Rover. So guys, I'm gonna start here at the front. The big thing about these inTechs is this massive front windshield. This is an awesome front windshield. It comes with a cover too, so you're not gonna get bugs all over it when you're traveling down the road. On the front tongue, you have your power tongue jack. And then normally where the propane is, it's just kind of open here. And you can see how they use an aluminum frame. So this is super lightweight, super strong. And then for the propane, if we just pull these two little pins, bring this down, there's your two propane tanks. They're hidden right up underneath. No rocks are gonna hit them. They're not gonna ding up. Okay, I wanna talk about the exterior of this a little bit. It's sheeted in a fiberglass outside, but it's a fully aluminum construction. They weld the steel frame all the way around it to make it a super strong, super lightweight camper. Your roof up top is a one-piece fiberglass sheet. So that just goes over top. You're not gonna have to worry about the rubber or anything like that. On the back side here, you have your power cord. You can see we got it plugged into our pole. The back to your furnace, and then your dumps are gonna be right down here. Now you can kind of see these decals right here. This is part of the Rover package. So this Rover package adds a few things to the camper. So you're gonna get the decals, obviously. You're gonna get a beefier, aggressive tread on these tires, along with the blackout wheels that look super nice. And it's also lifted 3 inches too. So going off-roading won't be an issue with this. No back bumper on this, so your stinky slinky stores away right here. And then the back to your hot water tank. This is a tankless hot water. You're gonna be able to get your long showers. You won't have to worry about that 6-gallon tank. Then above the hot water tank, you have your fill ports here, your city water, and then straight tank fill. Another thing with this Rover package is this back bumper. So this is an aluminum back bumper that is super strong, super heavy duty. And then you are backup cam prepped up top too. Over on this side, this is gonna be your campsite. This is gonna be where all the action happens. So you have your propane disconnect for your Blackstone. But even one better, if we open this up, this one is optioned with the full outdoor kitchen. So pulling this all the way out, you guys can see you got your 12-volt cooler. It's cold enough to go to a freezer too. Have a little built-in Blackstone, a great griddle. And then plenty of storage. Also extra goodies that come with this, like an outdoor hose. And now you guys can really see these tires now that we're on this side. They're nice, beefy tires. You can go through sand, trails, everything like that. You get a small little front storage going past the main door here. And you can kind of see on the inside the flooring that they use. And I'll show you more about that when we get inside. Then the last thing I want to talk about out here is this massive armless awning. It's a Girard awning. These are the same brand that they use on big, huge Class A motorhomes. It is armless, it comes out, and it's got a nice little LED strip that runs across the top. Let's check out the inside. Alrighty guys, now that we're inside, I kind of want to go over a few specs with you guys. So your freshwater tank's going to be 44 gallons, your gray water is going to be 30, and then that black tank's going to be 26 gallons. The dry weight of this, kitted out with all the options that you can put on it, is about 5,200 pounds. So super lightweight for something this size and with this amount of quality. So now that I got that, I'm going to kind of go over some of the stuff inside. You can see starting at the front here, this dinette area, and the other side to that massive window. It is tinted. Couldn't see it inside from the outside, but you do get an amazing view. This dinette does break down into a bed, which I will demonstrate. So now that we have this pole out, we can take a peek up here. You see its mini counterpart. This mini counterpart goes right into the same hole, screws in there, and then you'll hear a click once it's all the way down. And then we got to remove some cushions a little bit to make it easy. So I'm going to store this pole back up top here. Goes down like that. This cushion goes back in its main area. And then they give you this extra cushion here that just slides over like that to make your extra sleeping bed. Now above us here is our vent. This is a max air vent cover with a rain sensor on it. So if it starts raining, you're not going to get wet here in the middle of the night. It'll automatically close for you. The controls for it are right up here on this wall. And then coming down to the side, you can see the beautiful cabinetry in here. The sleek white design is awesome. They got pretty strong magnets that open up. This is going to be your access bay with your battery disconnect and your extra fuses and breakers. And then you can see in the corner there the accent lighting that they use. It's a nice blue, gives it a good vibe in here. On this side is your TV with a little bit of desk area. And then your 12-volt fridge. This is a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Runs directly off the battery, and you do get a full freezer as well. Now, if you guys want to look down with me, you can see the flooring that they use here. This is an infinity woven fabric. This is the same fabric that they're using on pontoon boats. It's a moisture wicking, gets all the water off. It's not going to sit, it's not going to settle in there. So you won't have to worry about water getting into your floor. The kitchen area here, you get the stainless steel farm style sink with the pull down spray nozzle. 2-burner cooktop. Perfect for mac and cheese. And then your microwave convection oven. This is a pretty cool microwave. It does open down like an oven would, but you can do all of your convection in there. It is a microwave too. And then there's a little storage drawer down here. A lot of storage for this small thing. So you get this huge wardrobe that you can hang a shirt in. There's some spots for hangers in there. And then you got another drawer, a little cabinet area. And then into the bedroom here, you have this huge bed with massive windows on every side. This one does have its blackout shade down, so I can show you guys. Completely blackout, but during the day, lift that up, and this is your emergency window as well. TV back here and in the front. And you get another one of those max air vents up here. And the cabinetry over top. Alrighty guys, so the bathroom's behind this door here. What I love about the inTech series is it kind of feels like a space station in here, and it's really showing in this door. So it's a hermetically sealed door, mirror on the door. It is a wet bath, so you have your toilet and your shower all in one, and they do give you a toilet paper holder that won't get wet when you're taking a shower. Okay guys, thanks for checking out the inTech Magnolia Aucta with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed coming around and taking the tour with me. If you guys have any questions, you can reach out to me directly at 716-694-0188 or just stop in today at Colton RV in North Tonawanda. Thanks. Bye guys.